George, Pepper, Mommy, and David had breakfast. It is a lovely sunny day, and Pepper took away to go to the garden to play. Mommy, when you go to play, you get out to play your vision burger. George, drinking the cookie. George drinking the cookie, and now ready to go. Can you go out to play now, Mommy? No, we'll do that to go. But George has got to go, Mommy. Have a play, George. Eh? Oh, you can't go to bed. Look out, George. Have find your lock in the gut. George, I'll give you the ball and then you have to catch. George, please don't hiccup. George! Now you the ball to me and I have to catch it. George! Oh dear, George is hiccup by spoiling the game. George, I can play hiccup. You will do I say. Down the hand hit you up your tummy. Good. Now your hiccups are gone. Pepper do hiccup. Let's see the weed. George, eat the middle one. I will better way to hiccup. First, jump up and down 3 times on one leg. Now raise your arms up and down and take your tongue out. Now close your eyes and turn around quickly 3 times. I know to cure hiccups, the little piggy must give me a shock. George, I'm going to scare you, but no matter again and stop your hiccups. Remember, you just have to pretend scary. Here comes that pig to make us a juice. George, if you take a cookie, you get hiccups again. I'm a little George. I can do cookie if you want to. Peppapig. 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 It's master.